The Alcoa Foundation is our global charity, and what it does is it invests in the communities near where we have operations around the world. My name's Sue Ellen Gerard and I'm the Corporate Affairs Manager at Alcoa, and I think I've got one of the best jobs at Alcoa, if not the best job, because among other things I get to look after our big community partnerships like the one we have with Birdlife, which we're here to talk about today, and which is all about looking after our iconic Black-Cockatoos in Western Australia.
We have 3 species in the southwest of Western Australia. So they are the Carnaby's Black-Cockatoo and Bodan's Black-Cockatoo. So those 2 are the white-tailed Black-Cockatoos. And then we have the forest red-tailed Black-Cockatoo. So forest red-tails are listed as vulnerable and the white-tails are both listed as endangered currently.
Birdlife Australia has been fortunate to develop a partnership with Alcoa Foundation and Alcoa for a 3-year project which started in 2019, which is called the Alcoa Community Black-Cockatoo Recovery Project. And so as the name suggests, it's all about working with the community and partners to improve the recovery of our 3 Black-Cockatoo species in the southwest. There's 3 sort of elements to the partnership. So community education is a really big part of it, and community engagement. So we're looking for opportunities to run workshops and get people involved in on-ground actions similar to community planting days, getting them involved in some of our citizen science projects, so like the Great Cocky Count, which is a count of birds flying into roosts on one evening every April every year. And just generally getting people sort of, I suppose, more aware of the birds, what the birds need, how they can help BirdLife to actually monitor populations and monitor changes in populations, and how people can actually help with providing habitat for these birds.
My name's Ross Rose. I own this farm here in Coolab. It was originally a war service farm which my father purchased in 1947. And the beauty about it is he didn't clear anything here. A lot of the farms around here are all cleared. Dad didn't plant many trees, but he never cleared any. So I've got this beautiful, I've got about 300 old red gums here. So, having that there, I wanted to put an understory because I already had the canopy, and the hardest thing having a reserve is the canopy because you might have to wait 200 years. I had it here, the hard work's done, and I just filled the rest in with groups like Birdlife Australia. I'm lucky enough to have the Black-Cockatoos here. I have 2 or 3 that hang around all the time, and certain times of the year, like last year, I had 38 here. This reserve's sort of like halfway between the hills and the coast, and it's sort of like a halfway spot if they're going back and forth, especially the Carnaby's. But I've got an interest in all the birds here. So we've got 65 different species of birds, including the cockies. So we create the environment for the whole lot, not just the cockies, but although it's the main one. I have bird groups come out here, and conservationists and all sorts of people come and have a look around here, and they just love the place, and I just can't stop it,